Did they just go off the air?
Oh. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Severe thunderstorm warning force. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding.
Yeah, I was right. I did go off there.
Cobalt, Marquin, and Buckhorn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fredericktown, Cobalt, Marquin, and Buckhorn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What the heck?
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Thunderstorm warning. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding.
What is this?
Protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a radar-indicated threat.
What is this doing? Bro, it's just continuing. What's going on? Bro, what is... This is not tropical either. It's this freaking radio station. It's continuing. Oh. What the heck? Oh my gosh.